Want to use Telegram on your Windows PC? In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the easiest way to download, install, and set it up. Stay tuned and let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Google. Search for Telegram and click on the first result, which is telegram.org. Once you're on the website, go to Apps, then click on Desktop Apps. Now, select Telegram for Windows/Mac/Linux and click on Get Telegram for Windows. The setup file will start downloading automatically. After the download is complete, open the file, click Next, choose your installation folder, and hit Install. Wait for the installation to finish, then click Finish to launch Telegram. Now, open Telegram and click Start Messaging. You can log in by scanning the QR code with your Telegram mobile app or by entering your phone number. Once logged in, your chats and contacts will sync automatically. That's it. Telegram is now ready to use on your PC. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech guides. See you in the next one.